We have the following function f of x plus 2 between the interval of 0, 2.
It is important to remember how to get the area. The area is equal to delta x times the height. The height is equal to f of x. So how do we get delta x? Well, delta x is equal to b minus a over n.
Well, how to get the points? The point B is the last point of the interval, and the point A is the first point of the interval.
Our example is delta x equals to 2 minus 0 over 4. This equals 0.5.
Well, first of all we have to graph. So, we know n is equal 4, therefore there are going to be 4 rectangles, each one 0.5 times bigger than the other one. So, remember that for graphing you have to tabulate.
With the values we got tabulating, we can start graphing the line so we can get the area.
Once we have the graph, we are going to start drawing the rectangles in the following way, from right to left until the point, and repeat. Then we are going to draw the line of the x-axis, and as there are 4 rectangles, we're going to count from left to right 4 times. We are going to use the following formula: delta x times the sum of all f of x. So then we plot the values: 0.5, that is delta x, times f of 0 plus f 0.5 plus f1 plus f1.5. That values were obtained from the line before. But how do we get those f's? Well, let's remember the function is f of x equals 2x plus 2. So we just plot the values like this. For example, f of 0 equals 2 times 0 plus 2 equals 2. And repeat with the other values. Once we have the values, we just plot them in the formula and do the math. So the answer of the left area is 7 units squared, and that's it for the left hand. We're going to do the same, but for the right hand we go from left to right to the point and close, left to right to the point and close, left to right to the point and close, and again the same. And now we count from right to left 4 times, and so therefore there are going to be 4 rectangles using the same formula. We do the same now with the new values. The answer is 9 units squared. And finally, the middle point or midpoint. The formula for midpoint is area left plus area right over 2. So in this case it's going to be 7 plus 9 over 2. And the final answer is 8 units squared.